It's time to change my van's thermostat. Old thermostat is out. Time to put in the new one. Working on vehicles now is so much easier than it used to be. There are YouTube videos for everything, including this. Shout out to Dan the Man Garage for the best tutorial step-by-step ever. I used to have to figure out things on my own, and it would take me 10 times as long as it should. Thanks to this tutorial, I got it done start to finish in an hour and a half. And my 2013 Chrysler Town & Country is thankful too. So after refilling the coolant, the next step was to see if it starts up. All right,
Mama Drew.
It started and the check engine light did not come back on. And of course we disposed of the old coolant properly.